In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup objects in Miro. If you've ever tried to edit a board only to find that several items move together, that means they're grouped. Ungrouping lets you break that bundle apart so you can adjust each piece on its own. This is especially useful when you need to tweak part of a diagram, update a label, or move a single shape without affecting the rest. Start by selecting the grouped objects. In Miro, you don't need to draw a selection box, simply click on any object within the group. When you've selected a group, a border will appear around the entire collection, not just the item you clicked. You'll typically see a clear outline and resize handles around everything in that group. If you don't see a border around the full set, you might have clicked an ungrouped item, so try another object or zoom in a bit to make your selection more precise. A single click is all you need. Avoid double clicking, which might enter text editing instead of selecting the group. With the group selected, it's time to ungroup. Right-click anywhere on the selected group, then choose Ungroup from the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click opens the same menu. Prefer a faster, keyboard-friendly method? Use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus G on Windows or Shift plus Command plus G on a Mac. As long as the group is selected, that shortcut will break it apart in one step. Once ungrouped, each object is independent. You can move a single shape, resize a specific image, change an individual color, or edit a text box without affecting the other items. A quick way to confirm it worked is to drag one object slightly, only that item should move. If everything still moves together, the selection is still a group. So select and ungroup again. Ungrouping doesn't delete or distort anything, it simply removes the wrapper that made those objects behave as one. If you accidentally shift something out of place, you can always undo to get back to where you were. That's all there is to it. Click any object in the group to select the whole set, ungroup with the right-click menu or the shortcut, and then edit each piece on its own. With these steps, you'll have the flexibility to fine-tune your Miro boards quickly and confidently.